Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create your SU Google Drive account and share files in that account. First, go to the Google Drive account login page, log in with your net ID, mine is jlee233, and make sure to put at g.syr.edu, press next. You will have to enter your net ID and password, press login, and you will be directed to your SU's Google Drive account. In SU's Google Drive, you can create and store any documents and files with unlimited storage. To create anything in Google Drive, press New and select what you would like to create. To share a document or a file, create what you want to share. I'll create a Google Docs. And press the share icon on the top right side. And enter the email addresses of the people you want to share your document with. You can also select what each person can do in the document by selecting this icon. And when you press send, you will be able to share your file or document. For additional help, you can contact the ITS department, and thank you for watching the video.